It's His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie. Shut up! Rastafari. All Eden, all vampire, they shoot! Right now. Yeah, manners and respect. You see, most people.
Hey man!
Wow, baby girl. Yeah, excuse me, sir. Come down. As a matter of fact, come down here. So where you are, now?
What are we here for them and smoke up the place?
Well, as you know, in Jamaica, only black people use blood, whether they kill chicken or they kill goat. We use the herbs to consecrate the space.
So me understand where the blood do, but me don't understand where the smoke do.
Well, look at it this way. Even from ancient times, when you step into the most holy of holies, there was always a cloud of smoke because the incense were always being burnt.
Well, that is it, my brother. But bear in mind, we want to do it on a bigger and better scale where we invite other communities and get them involved. Like this year, we want to get added security because based on what is happening in the community, you know, Cerise and Christmas is just around the corner. Just want to get it on a level. So, your brother, your friend, is a savage. I want to know if you can link me up on him where we can get added security. He's in a contact number and I really appreciate it.
I can more than do that because, to be truthful, we know of a fact that is something that he would be more than willing to do. So here I go and do. I go and WhatsApp the number to you. Yeah, no. Yeah. Alright, see there? Let's send the number, see?
Manners and respect, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Oh boy, this a bit me bad too.
What
few look at there is the rain and fall. Look on the place where it weed up.
True that. You know?
I'll get somebody involved in it, but get something. You have the right person in mind.
Well, I think the right person has just made himself available.
Just as a... You know what me having.
Right, that's all. But here, I think we need to get at least a couple of days first. Because as far as me know, them say we're going to get some more rain tonight into tomorrow. You understand?
Not a problem. Only problem I have is that I need somebody on the ground, somebody like you. Remember, I have to be in the street to handle my business differently. So as long as you're there for money tight for me, I'm good.
I am here. Have no fear.
Not a problem.
But give me a minute. Me have to deal with that little umbrella over here. Yeah, run some serious joking at you. Anyway, follow me. Need for a lot. Walk it. Hear me, I say. It's around here, sir. We are going to want it clean up. All of them things, we are going to want move out. Because I can bring a truck come up here in the week. But I want them stock and ready to go. And all little weed in and so. You don't know through the rain and sitting. You think you can handle that?
A simple thing, I'm a
Good. So tell me, sir. How long now? Pop live over there.